Hidden secrets big consulting firms don't want you to know. All right, so let's get down to business. With 25 years of software development, I've seen it all, from Fortune 500 companies to scrappy startups. And frankly, I'm sick of tired of these big consulting firms pulling the wool over people's eyes. Indie firms or independent firms are the best kept secret for how you can build your next software idea. So here are some great reasons why you should ditch those big guys and go with an independent firm for your next software project. So first of all, you get personalized attention. Big consulting firms treat you like a number. They've got a cookie cutter approach. An independent firm, they'll actually listen to you, understand your vision, and tailor a solution that fits your business perfectly. It's like getting a custom-made suit versus buying one off the rack. Which one do you think is going to look better? The next one is agility and flexibility. Ever tried turning a cruise ship on a dime? That's what it's like trying to get a big consulting firm to change course. They're slow, bureaucratic, and stuck in their ways. Independent firms, they're nimble and adaptable. They can pivot and make changes quickly and that's essential in today's fast-paced world. Next is you get direct access to experts. With big consulting firms, you're often dealing with junior-level consultants, but with an independent firm, you get direct access to the experienced developers who actually know what they're doing. You get somebody like myself who has 25 years of software development experience to help you architect and see your vision to fruition. It's like going to a seasoned doctor instead of a medical student. Who would you trust more with your health? The next big reason is that the indie firms are much more cost-effective. Think big consulting firms are cheaper? Think again. They have massive overhead costs and layers of management. Independent firms operate with lower overhead, which means you can offer more competitive rates. And guess what? That means more money in your pocket for a better product. Now, speaking of saving money, are your company systems a tangled mess? Here at Startup Hack, we specialize in connecting systems and streamlining workflows. We'll help you turn the chaos into a well-oiled machine. So head over to startuphack.com/Spencer and we can help you get sorted out. Now, the next one is great ownership and accountability. Big consulting firms often play the blame game. Something goes wrong? Oh, that was the other department's fault. With an independent firm, you've got a dedicated team that's fully invested in your success. They take ownership and are accountable for delivering results. It's like having a partner, just not a vendor. Next, we can focus on value, not billable hours. So big consulting firms love to pad their billable hours. They'll drag out projects and nickel and dime you. Independent firms are focused on delivering value. They want you to get the job done efficiently and effectively so that you can start seeing a return on your investment quickly. Next is I find indie firms to be more innovative and creative. Big consulting firms are all about following the same old tired playbook. They're afraid to take risks. Independent firms, they're not too afraid to think outside of the box and they'll come up with innovative solutions. They'll challenge the status quo and help you gain a competitive edge. Next is those independent firms will give you a stronger relationship. With big consulting firms, you're just another client. With an independent firm, you build a real relationship with people working on your project. You get to know them, trust them, and collaborate with them on a deeper level. It's like working with a colleague, not just hired guns. And let's be honest, who wants to work with a bunch of corporate robots? Independent firms are full of passionate people like myself who actually care about your project. They're not just in it for the paycheck, they're in it to make a difference. Transparency and communications are a big one. Big consulting firms are notorious for their lack of transparency. They keep you in the dark. Independent firms keep you in the loop every step of the way. They communicate clearly and honestly so that you're always informed and empowered. Next, small independent firms are going to get you to market faster. Time is money, right? Big consulting firms move at a glacial pace. They'll drag out projects for months. Independent firms are all about speed and efficiency. They'll get your project done quickly and get your product to market faster so that you can start generating some revenue. Next, independent firms will give you access to niche expertise. Do you need a specific skill set or technology? Good luck finding that at a big consulting firm. They're generalists, not specialists. Independent firms often have deep expertise in niche areas. They can bring in the right talent for your specific needs, whether it's AI, blockchain, or whatever the latest technology is. Next is long-term support and maintenance. Big consulting firms are quick to disappear once the project is over, but independent firms are invested in your long-term success. They'll stick around to provide ongoing support and maintenance, ensuring your software stays up to date and running smooth. So there you have it. There's some of the big secrets big consulting firms don't want you to know. Now you're armed with the knowledge to make the right decision for your next project. Now, what are your thoughts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I love to have a great discussion, so make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. If nothing else, just to say hi. Here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps and to build custom software solutions for companies. So hit us up at startuphack.com/Spencer and we'll help you out.